But we'll see. Hopefully we can get it figured out. If not, then anybody that has a Procharger,
it's all the same, like some things never change. I couldn't stop and say no. It's all the same, but you won't take the blame, even when you are blowing up. Oh my, you're my broken love.
It looks like somebody did that, right?
chipped it. All right, guys. So Nova, my buddy, has a YouTube channel called Breakerz, and he has a Procharged. What year is this? 14?
13.
A 13 RT, and really this is the only performance mod on the 5.7. You know, it has upgraded fuel injectors, but you know that all comes with the kit and whatnot. So we're gonna see what he's putting down to the ground. What are you predicting? What are you thinking?
450.
450? I think that's a pretty solid guess. I would say that's probably appropriate. I mean, you think about it, most 5.7s stock dyno at 330 or so. So you're running 7 or 8 pounds of boost. You have a tune by, what is it? Who is it?
Eric from Team Hellcat.
Team Hellcat. Okay. So a custom dyno tune. I think 450 is probably a good guess. But we will see, right? We'll see how it goes.
And then we go from there.
What's actually next for this thing? Is that it as far as performance?
No, performance, if I do keep the car, I'm going to keep going.
You're going to keep going?
I'm going to keep going.
So you're going to sell it? You're
It's
kicking
hard.
around the idea?
It's hard. It's hard to let go, but I'm willing to sell and just move on to different things. You know?
Go for another project?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, the exhaust, it's like a catback, right?
It's a Catless mids.
Catless mids, okay. But do you know the it's loud. It's stock headers, Catless mids, and do you know from the catback what it is, or
It's straight pipe.
it's straight piped? Well, there you have it. And so he actually has back rims, but because of the width, look at the tire poke. It probably wouldn't fit on a dyno. So we'll take a look at underneath here to see what the exhaust. Oh yeah, yep. No mufflers, no resonators, just pipe. There you go. No good? So we're running into a little bit of issue. That's why the horsepower is not reading as high. Right around here is 4,000 RPMs, and we're not getting a reading after 4,000. So I think the red line on the RT is at 4,000 right now. So we're gonna see if we could do anything to make up that, you know, that missing 2,000 RPMs. So right now at 4,000 RPM, he's making 340. So I think in another 2K RPM he has to work with, I think it could get to 450. But we'll see. Hopefully we could get it figured out. If not, then anybody that has a Procharger, this is what you can expect at 4,000 RPMs. You know which one it is?
Nah, I'm just gonna take these out. Hopefully it works.
Take them all out.
Yeah, let's see if it works.
So right now what we're looking for is the ABS fuse. The tuner of this vehicle said that the ABS fuse, if it's pulled...
Alright, just take that off the... Yeah, take it off. Let's try it.
It will go to 6,000 RPM, so I don't know, we'll see. No good, right?
I tried a couple different things.
Okay. All right.
Maybe closing the door because I didn't do that. Maybe I thought that was it.
All right. All right. That's it. So the 464 is third gear, 5,000 RPMs. So, I mean, dude, you're making power. It's just you're just not redlining at 6,000. That's really what it comes down to, you know? So, I mean, the power is there, but you're just not able to find your peak wheel horsepower.
Some things never change. I couldn't stop and say no. It's all the same, but you won't take the blame, even when you are blowing up. Oh my, you're my broken love. Nobody's gonna save enough.